Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the essential tools for any lawn care enthusiast, the ProLift Lawnmower Jack Lift. If you're tired of struggling with awkward angles and trying to clean or maintain your mower, this might just be the solution you've been looking for. Stick around as we explore its features, pros, and cons, and determine if it's worth your investment. Let's kick things off with an overview. The ProLift is designed to lift tractors and zero-turn lawnmowers effortlessly. With a sturdy build and a weight capacity of 300 pounds, it promises to make maintenance tasks much simpler. It's crafted from durable alloy steel, ensuring it can withstand the rigors of regular use without bending or breaking. Let me demonstrate how easy it is to use the ProLift. Simply position it under your mower, engage the foot pedal to lift, and lock it in place with the safety mechanism. This allows you to access the blades, clean the undercarriage, or perform routine maintenance without straining your back. Having used the ProLift ourselves, we found it to be a game changer in terms of convenience. It reduces the time and effort required for mower maintenance, allowing you to focus more on enjoying your lawn. While we don't focus on customer reviews, it's worth noting that the ProLift enjoys positive feedback from many users who appreciate its reliability and durability. So, is the ProLift Lawnmower Jack Lift worth it? If you're serious about maintaining your lawn equipment and want a tool that makes the job easier and safer, then absolutely. Its robust construction, ease of use, and thoughtful design features make it a standout choice in its category. That wraps up our review of the ProLift 300 lb's capacity lawnmower jack lift. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth product critiques. Until next time, happy mowing!